Good morning, dear children. Let us continue lesson 3, The Man Who Loved All. We were studying about Abraham Lincoln, who was born in a poor family. His father, Thomas Lincoln, was a poor farmer, and his mother, Nancy, was an illiterate housewife. And as they were staying in a remote area, he could not go to school. Abraham Lincoln was helping his father in farming. But a tragedy took place. His mother died, and Thomas, his father, had second marriage with a widow whose name was Sarah Bush Johnson, and she was already having 3 more children. She was very good lady. Abraham and his sister loved their stepmother, and their stepmother also loved Abraham and his sister. Now, then we came to know that she realized the importance of education, and she permitted them to go to school. Abraham had a great desire to learn more and more, so he started reading number of books. Now let us continue the chapter. Page number 20, the last paragraph. Lincoln took up many jobs to earn a living. As family need financial support, Abraham started doing different jobs to earn his living. He was employed to ferry passengers and cargo in the river. Then he got job in a ferry, passenger and cargo. Ferry means carry passengers by boat or ship, carrying passengers from one place to another by boat or ship. And cargo is goods carried commercially on a ship, aircraft or truck, carrying goods, things from one place to another, that is called cargo. He started his first job in that. He worked as a clerk in a general store and then as a postmaster. He worked as a clerk in a general store and then he worked as a postmaster also. When Lincoln was working as a clerk in the general store, he had much time to read. When he was working as a clerk, he got enough time to read. He learned grammar and took a keen interest in poetry. Then there he read number of books. He learned grammar. He had self-studies, dear children. Then he had great interest in poetry, reading different poems. It was during this time he read the dramas of Shakespeare. Shakespeare is a great poet, author, and he read many dramas written by Shakespeare. The public contacts won him lot of appreciation. When he was having conversations with people, he was attracting people towards him. He was respected for his humor and logic. He was respected among the people. He was having jolly nature, and whatever topic he was talking was logical. The good ideas he was sharing with people. He became popular as a good speaker and started taking interest in politics. He was a good speaker. He could attract people through his speeches and started taking interest in politics. In 1832, he contested for the Illinois seat for the House of Representatives, but was defeated. Lincoln contested the elections again in 1834 and was elected. Dear children, in 19 19 1832, he contested. Contested means to take part in any competition. Clear? For the Illinois seat, for the House of Representatives. House of Representatives is the name of legislative body in USA. Clear? It is the lower house of the United States. As he entered in the politics, he took part in this contest but was defeated. He could not won that. He was failed in that. Lincoln contested the elections again in 1834. Again he took part in the elections in 1834 and this time he won the election. In 1842, Lincoln married Mary Todd. The Lincoln-Mary couple had 4 sons. In 1842, he got married. The name of his wife was Mary Todd and they got 4 sons. In 1858, the Republican Party declared Lincoln as their choice for U.S. Senate. Senate is an upper house for the United States of America. So this time Republican Party declared Lincoln as their choice. They selected Lincoln for the to take part again in this election. Lincoln was defeated, but by May 1860, Lincoln's speeches in New York had gained him a national reputation. Again, in 1858, he was defeated, but till May 1860, he got a good reputation because of his speeches. He gave many speeches in New York, through which he gained the national reputation. He was nominated as a candidate for presidency. Now this time he was nominated for the post of a president of USA. He was elected in 1860 and took office as the President of the United States of America. Finally, in 1860, he was elected as a President of United States of America. At the time Lincoln took office, there was a civil war between the southern and northern states. Between the southern and northern states of America, there was a civil war when he took the office, when he was elected as a president. Lincoln won the war. This time Lincoln won the war, and Lincoln was assassinated while watching a play at the Ford Theater. He was assassinated. Assassinated means killed or murdered. He was murdered while watching the play at the Ford Theater. When he was watching any play at the Ford Theater, he was murdered. He is still remembered for his big achievements like saving the nation and abolishing slavery. He saved his nation and he abolished slavery system. The evil practice of slavery was stopped by Lincoln. So still he is remembered. He is considered to have been the greatest American president. He is one of the greatest American presidents. His sense of devotion and sacrifice are examples of the highest standards of in public life. His sense of devotion, he was very devoted towards his duties, and his sacrifices, he sacrificed a lot. These are the examples of the highest standards in public life. He gave the moral values through his behavior. He gave the moral values to the people of his nation. So Abraham Lincoln was a great personality. He sacrificed his life. He did his duties with utmost sincerity. He stopped the practice of slavery, and still people remember him for his great deeds. Thank you.